Guys, what's up? Welcome back for our next episode of Animals Under Fire. I am super stoked to bring you this episode. This is the Candelabra piece. This piece has been on the pipeline, in the pipeline for quite a few months, I would have to say. Friend DJ Benyosef was in town late winter and I guess early spring. Anyway, late winter, early spring, and we made this beautiful deer skull candelabra piece. Really fun piece to watch come together. Unfortunately, didn't get much of my sculpting in the video, but we did get the entire process of DJ putting together the cups and actually assembling the entire candelabra. And of course, you know, we captured dinner at the ranch, Dragon Ranch style. So sit back, relax, and watch the candelabra come to life. Roll it! that's a wrap for this episode of Animals Under Fire. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our Candelabra video. If you have any questions or comments, please throw them down there, and I'll get to them one day. Unless it's a trolly comment, then you can just keep that one to yourself. But I want to thank my crew as always. I want to thank DJ Benyosef for coming out to the ranch and making a beautiful piece with us. And you're going to want to stay tuned next week. We got another great one coming at you. A really interesting piece. I think you're going to get a kick out of it. Yeah, have a great week, and we'll see you next time on Animals Under Fire.